So you thought Arnold Schwarzenegger was bad at English.
Bring the toy back to the carpet, bring it back to the carpet, take it back!
You thought Tommy Wiseau was bad at English.
I did not hit her, it's not true, it's bullshit, I did not hit her, I did not. Oh, hi Mark.
Well, welcome to Higgsino Physics, the worst English speaker ever. This means, in our setup, it's more probable for our atoms to be evenly distributed. No, I'm kidding. I just want to make this video to tell you about some updates and do a question and answer. So first of all, I want to thank you so much for choosing to support the community. We're already at almost 5,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. And especially thank you to the Patreons who chose to support the project. It's sadly not nearly enough though, because I use way too much time to animate. But it still means a lot that already now people are choosing to support the project with their own money. So thank you. I don't know what you heard about me, but it probably changed the entropy. I also made it possible to make a one-time donation if you want to support the channel as well. The donations will be shown in the end of all future videos. Something like this, I think. Also, I'm asking you to subscribe to the newsletter instead of just subscribing to YouTube, because I don't really care for YouTube at all. I just want to make educational physics videos. So if I change platform, I can notify you. And you know, when I make new videos as well, I would like to notify you. Now, first question in the question and answers. Why did you start the channel? Motivation. Well, I just love explaining physics. I also have a part-time job where I explain high school or college kids physics. Especially there's really missing a lot of cool animations, I think, because a lot of physics concepts is really easily explained with a simple animation. Like in this animation where I explained the refractive indices and the critical angle. And it's just so easy to see, and but everywhere, you know, of course in books, but also on web pages, things like this are not animated, it's just still images, and it could be so much easier. Also, I think it's really cool when you do a simulation of something. The first time I did it was with the tides, and I just made, you know, some particles and insert some physics, and out of the simulation pops some useful physics. Like here it reveals the tidal differential force. And that was just so cool to me, I thought. Or the simulation with entropy, showing how a system will go to a stable and most likely configuration. I think that's so cool, and it's a way better approach to learn these concepts. How do you make the animations? Well, I use Cinema 4D, and it's just, you know, a standard 3D program. And usually there'll be some Python programming, and usually there'll be some Espresso. This is some node-based programming thing, and I just love this program. It's so nice. And yeah, then I stitch things together in Premiere and do some 2D stuff in After Effects. So that's how I do it.
So why didn't I flinch? Because the laws of science differ fundamentally from those of